Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Got Apple coming out tonight at 4:30. Let's make it a great one. Don't make assumptions. Let your life be transformed. When you stop making assumptions, your word becomes impeccable, and your life is completely transformed. Magic just happens in your life. What you need comes to you easily because the Spirit moves freely through you. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials close up 36, Nasdaq up 3, S&P's flat, gold contract up $2.10, trading at $1,257 an ounce. Silver up 8 cents, $16.85 an ounce. Platinum down $4, $9.27 an ounce. Copper down 2.5 pennies at $2.62 a pound. Light sweet crude got toasted and roasted, down $1.20, $47.64 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note down 9 ticks, 125.24. 30-year bond off 29 ticks, up 29 ticks rather, 152.28. Both notes and bonds rejected lower price once again. They want higher price, lower yield. Pretty wild. We get the Fed meeting right now. Tomorrow at 2 o'clock, they're going to come out with their statement. It looks like it's going to be status quo, no short-term rate hike. The probability of a short-term rate hike in June, though, is 70%. King dollar down 105 ticks, trading at 98.825. King dollar, folks, is basically building cause to go break that lowest swing point. So it's going to be pretty wild watching this thing shake out at 2 o'clock tomorrow. That's where I expect it's going to go right after it. The euro is trading at 109 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 112 to the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay. We did 52 million shares. You are at 238.76. So you got into the bar. You are into the bar from the highs of the 1st of March. We got to a price point today of 238.98. We closed at 238.76. So, and we had volume of 52 million. So what you have is this. You got up to these highs. This is like a short-term failure. You know, yesterday we failed from the day before. Today we failed there. Bottom line, you know, this thing has to get under the 238.37 to really, to get technically back down to the 231. We'll see where this shakes out in the next 15 minutes. We won't get the big number until 4:30, and so the futures will be closed at 4:30. Dow Industrials. Let's take a look at the Dow. Dow Industrials closed out at 20,949. Now that baby has to get inside 20,957. 957 is the highs, as the low of the high. The composite, as well as the NDX 100, are at highs. Composite right now 6,095. I believe that's a closing high. It is. That's a closing high. NDX 100. We are at also a closing high, 56.44. And bottom line, Apple's going to be what it's all about. And we'll see whether Apple can basically hold those babies up. Gold contract, what do we have with the gold contract? Gold contract rejected lower price today, had lighter volume on the rejection. Bottom line wants higher price. And, you know, what we've been looking for now is a sign of strength. Gold got down to 1252. Had 171,000 contracts. That's short contract volume because we were going into the breakout area of 292,000. That's what you'd like to see on a test. Now we need a sign of strength. That's the bottom line. Silver needs to catch a bid, man. That's the bottom line with silver. Silver has not been able to catch a bid. We're at 1685. That thing got to get back inside 1689 like in a heartbeat. The note and bond market continue to say that this S&P wants to sell off. The note market today went down to 125.11. You closed at 125.24, rejected lower price. It's a nice setup. It's particularly a nice setup, folks, because when the note market and the bond market broke out on April 3rd, you broke over a 4-month consolidation. That sends this 10-year, looks to me like it wants to get into almost 128. We're at 125.24 right now. The 30-year, same type of setup inside the 30-year. 30-year right now got down to a low of 151.26. This is trading 152.28. You know, big numbers, man. Big numbers. And let's go to King Dollar. So King Dollar, folks, okay, 2 o'clock tomorrow. We'll see whether it lasts that long. This thing actually might get tanked tonight because King Dollar got up to 99.085 today. We're at 98.820, and your swing point is 98.670. So tried to get to a higher high, had light volume, failed on price, failed on volume, all of the above. This is a setup that looks to me King Dollar almost get out of 96.890. You get 96.890, we are going to get a little rocket ship inside the metal market out here. After the close out here, we get lots of numbers coming out. Let's start with FireEye and see what they're having to say. So FireEye got the stock got halted, and we'll see how that shakes out. It looks like they are claiming that they they've made money versus losing money. Let's see, the revenue is 160. Their estimate was 163 million. They made 173. The estimated loss was 26 cents. They only lost 9 cents. So who knows why they halted the stock? They feel like that's so good that they have to halt the stock. We'll find out if people bid it up after they open it up again. Mondelez, this is the spinoff from Kraft. Mondelez closed at $43.77. That is trading right now at $45.10. And that one there, don't buy that, folks. I'm telling you. Well, bottom line is that this is a high volume swing low at 41.30. That is game. Gilead, G-I-L-D, big biotech. That closed at 68.59. That's trading at 67. This thing has been a one-way trip, and it has that high volume low at 65.38. Bottom line, we'll see whether that high volume low holds, because this also, you talk about coming down off highs with not only with volume, but this stock has just about got cut in half in the last 2 years, and there's actually not much to hold it up. We're down from a price point of 123. What's holding it is 63.50 from April of 2014. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Dow finished up 36, NASDAQ up 3, S&P's down 1. Going to be right back.